Thank you. You successfully tore it up. This is more playing than he's done all day.
Because it's not so hot. What's hot is just miserable.
Thank you.
You are so bad.
Thank you.
Be careful.
I can't believe we're sitting here watching you tear up the blind.
I'm so sick, I don't even care anymore. I just don't want to throw up on him. Okay. Yay, super cute. Plus Ian will find this hilarious. Daddy would let me do it.
He would?
Yeah, he just laughed. Oh, don't whack her, Nanny. Look how cute I am. You cannot deny me anything. You. Why would you attack your grandmas? You gonna put it back? You gonna put it back for me?
You can't get it back. No, you tore it down.
I'll put it back when he gets distracted with something else. Hey dude, say hi to Dada. Say hi, Dada.
Hi, Dad. Oh, son.